Hi Lawn Care Nation, hope you're doing well. Kevin here, the Lawn Genius. I'm going to be upgrading some sprinkler heads in my lawn. I'd like to show you a little bit about changing them out. Now, it's a pretty simple task, but I've learned a lot of tricks along the way, and I'm going to share them with you. So, let's get it done. Now the first thing you want to do is dig yourself a pretty decent hole and take a nice sod chunk out. Don't take those little pieces of turf that don't survive. Use plywood, maybe even some cardboard. Makes for a nice clean job to put your soil and your turf. You can see here we've got our head dug up, and you want to be a little careful because attached to the head is what's called swing pipe or funny pipe, and you don't want to really hit that with a shovel, so you need to be a little careful. This allows the head to move and be leveled. Next, we're simply going to go ahead and spin the old head off, counterclockwise to get it off. Next up, we're going to wrap our fitting with Teflon tape. I love Teflon tape, and it's got to go clockwise. Clockwise, and you don't have to put that much on. A couple wraps is fine. I'm going to be replacing the old 4-inch Hunter with these new K-Rain Mini Pro 6-inch pops rotary. Really excited about these. All you need to do is go ahead and spin it on clockwise. Next up, we're going to use a bubble level. I've been using these for about 30 years. We're going to put it on the head so we get it exactly perfectly level. And we want it about a 1/2 inch below grade. Backfill little by little and tamp it with something. 2x4, 2x3, something like that works good, or maybe have a small tamper. Watching the bubble level all the way, keeping it nice and level. Once you get your hole backfilled and compacted, you get that bubble level just perfect, time for your sod. Well, there you go. Sprinkler head change out on your lawn. Pretty easy with some great tips from the Lawn Genius. Now, if you're going to go ahead and lower or raise some heads and level the heads, the procedure is the same. You're just not going to replace the head. So, if you can do that, your lawn system will become more efficient because leveled heads and heads at the right height are two of the best things that you can do. Now watch for a follow-up video because I'm going to let you know how these K-Rain Mini Pros are performing and why I switched to these in the first place from the old Hunter MPs. Till next time, it's the Lawn Genius. I'll see you out on the lawn.